Hey, I thought I'd give you guys another quick synopsis of the stairway here. All the bottom's been welded and they're grinding out. You can actually see this section here. We'll move in close. You can see where it's been welded up and down, and then right here in the middle where he's ground it out and polished it back out. And that's typical of what we'll do on the whole stair. Once it gets ground like that is, then it gets buffed out, and then we have to buff out the whole surface. You'll see the discoloration in the middle of the stainless steel. That's where he's welding from the inside, and the heat is changing the color of the stainless steel, and that will also need to get buffed out to get rid of that discoloration. Another interesting snag we're running into, thought I'd show you guys because it's kind of interesting. This weld inside here with this bevel on both sides. As you heat up steel, obviously, and it cools down, it wants to shrink. And so as we've got this bevel on either side, and as that weld that goes in there starts to shrink, it's pulling the sides of this steel in. Even though it's 1/2 inch solid stainless steel, it actually still pulls it inside. If we look at the tape measure here, we're supposed to be 5 inches in between there, and we're 4 3/4. So what it's done is it's pulled the steel in 1/4 of an inch. And so we've worked out a solution for that. We actually come over here. We bought some tools today. This is a pneumatic pump, and this piece here attaches to that pneumatic pump, and that cylinder inside will force out with pressure. And so what we're going to have to do is we're going to want to open these channels up on both sides, force the steel out away just a little bit, so as we weld it and that heat cools, it will pull it back into where it's supposed to be. The ones that we've welded already, we're going to have to force back out a little bit, and then we're going to work our way up, opening up that channel to allow us to weld and have it pull back into where it's supposed to be after it cools down. So just thought that was a little update for you guys. Thanks.